Funny enough, this little tape measure reminds me a lot of the home buying process. Because when people start thinking about buying a home, they're measuring all kinds of things. How much house can I afford? How much money do I need? What will my payment look like? How much should I save? And unfortunately, many people are making these measurements based on assumptions instead of facts. I'm Pauline Lee, mortgage loan officer and realtor. And today I want to show you why successful homeowners don't guess, they measure first. And if homeownership is something you're considering, even if it's 6 months, 12 months, or longer, I encourage you to schedule a consultation early. The sooner we understand your numbers, the more options you'll have when you're ready. Don't measure the house, measure the payment. Most buyers start asking, what's the maximum amount I can qualify for? But that's the wrong measurement. The better question is, what monthly payment fits comfortably into my life? Just because a lender says you can borrow a certain amount doesn't necessarily mean that's the right choice. Homeownership should leave room for savings, vacations, emergencies, retirement, and enjoying life, not just making a mortgage payment. This is one of the biggest reasons I recommend speaking with a mortgage professional before you start house hunting. This is exactly what we cover during a consultation. We'll look at different price points, monthly payments, down payment options, and create a strategy based on your goals, not someone else's. If you'd like help with that, you'll find a link below to schedule time with me. You know what happens when measurements are wrong during construction? The project gets expensive. The same thing can happen during a home purchase. I've seen buyers underestimate closing costs, cash reserves, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance expenses, and suddenly the numbers don't work the way they expected. The goal isn't simply getting approved, the goal is being comfortable after closing. A planning consultation can help uncover these costs early so there are few surprises later. Many buyers tell me they wish they had started this conversation sooner. It's much easier to solve these challenges before you're under contract. If you'd like a personalized review of your situation, use the booking link in the description, and let's create a game plan together. Every buyer has different measurements. One of the biggest mistakes I see is buyers comparing themselves to everyone else. My friend bought a $700,000 home. My coworker only put 5% down. My neighbor refinanced. None of that matters. Your plan should be based on your income, your savings, your goals, your timeline. Your measurements are unique to your comfort level. Whether you're a first-time buyer, move-up buyer, investor, or just exploring possibilities, a one-on-one consultation allows us to create a plan tailored specifically to your situation. One of the biggest values I provide as both a realtor and mortgage loan officer is helping buyers understand how all the pieces fit together. If you'd like advice tailored specifically to your situation, there's a link below where you can schedule a no-obligation consultation. Pre-approval is your blueprint. Before a builder starts construction, they don't just start cutting wood and hoping everything fits. They measure first. A strong pre-approval is your blueprint. It helps you understand buying power, monthly payment options, down payment requirements, loan program choices, and potential challenges before they become problems. When the right home comes on the market, you'll be prepared to act confidently. If you've been casually browsing homes online, this is a great time to schedule a consultation. Even if you're not ready to buy today, understanding your options now can save you time, money, and stress later. Whether you're 6 months away or ready to start house hunting this weekend, getting clarity on your numbers is one of the smartest things you can do. The consultation and pre-approval links are right below in the description. The interesting thing about a tape measure is that even a small adjustment can make a big difference. The same applies to financing. Sometimes a small change in loan program, down payment strategy, a debt payoff plan, timeline, or credit improvement can significantly improve your options. And that's why strategy matters. Many buyers think they're not ready yet, when in reality, they're much closer than they realize. A quick consultation can help identify the next best step and create a roadmap towards home ownership. By the way, if you're finding this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I regularly share mortgage tips, real estate strategies, market updates, and homebuyer education designed to help you make informed decisions. At the end of the day, successful homebuyers don't guess. They measure, they plan, and they prepare. The home buying process is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make, and having the right guidance can make all the difference. The sooner you understand your numbers, the more confident you'll feel when opportunities arise. If you're thinking about buying, refinancing, investing, or simply want to understand your options, I'd love to help. You'll find several ways to connect with me in the description below. I offer no obligation consultations where we'll review your goals, answer your questions, and create a personalized game plan so you know exactly where you stand and what steps to take next. I'm Pauline Lee, Mortgage Loan Officer and Realtor. Plan early and buy with confidence. I encourage you to get pre-approved.